Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to create this animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one, let's create new solid layer. Right mouse, new and solid layer. Add name elements 3D. Click OK. And go to FX, Video Copilot, Element. And click Scene Setup. Go to Import, and we have two 3D models, 3D house and coin. Let's select this first 3D house and click Open. Click OK and normalize size and move it up. So in this time, let's go to Presets and Physical. Let's use black glass for this house. Okay, and let's open inside. Select this black glass, change color white. Click OK and use black glass again for here, and choose here, change color blue. Okay, also let's back to scene materials, use black glass for this element, and let's open everyday colors. Choose blue and use for this. Also for window and brown, let's use for these elements. Okay, and less color let's use here. Let's go to import and choose coin. Let's click open and OK. Move to right. Okay, let's select this house and move to left. Select coin. Let's move to here and go to metals and use gold materials. Let's see. Okay, so in this time, let's go to environment, backlights, 2K, and use this material. Okay, and select this coin. Let's Ctrl D for duplicate, move to up and move to right. And go to click this icon, enable show ambient occlusion for see realistic shadows. And again Ctrl D, move to up and move to left. So let's go to create and create cube. Go to scale tool, change scale like this, and change scale like this, and click selection tool, move to here. And we can choose 3D house and move to right and select this box model, change scale like this and move to right, change scale more for x-axis and move to right. Okay, and move to down. In this time, let's go to materials and wood. Let's use this wood texture. Okay, not bad. Let's enable environment. Okay, I like it. Let's click OK. So let's create new solid layer. Click OK and press T, change opacity, and go to pen tool. Let's create one mask like this. Click selection tool, press T, change opacity 100 and height for now, and choose this 3D element and go to elements 3D. Let's go to custom layers and custom text and mask. Go to path layer 1, click none and choose 3D element, and back to scene setup, click extrude, and here we go, we have extrude model like this. And let's change bevel scale and move to here and move to inside. And let's go to presets, go to metal and use this texture and go to create. Let's create new plane and move it down, change scale. And back to presets. Okay, I will use ground stone For example, let's try use this texture and click draft texture turn off. Okay, not bad. Select this plane model and go to texture. Let's change texture 5 UV and this 5. Okay, that's good, and click OK. So let's create new camera tool. Right mouse, new end camera, and I will use 50 millimeters. Click OK and press C. We can control camera with these icons, with these three icons, or we can press C in keyboard for change camera movements. So in this time, let's create animation for camera. Select this camera, right mouse, and go to camera, create orbit null, and classification tool. Select orbit, press R, create X, Y, Z rotation, and go to 8 seconds. Press N for select work area, and change rotation like this. Let's preview animation. Okay, I like it. Let's move the back like this and change X rotation and Z rotation. Nice, very good. So let's create animation for these elements. Back to element 3D layer, go to scene setup, and let's click this icon for create new group folder and move to up, and select these 3D house, coin, and all coins, and box model and extrusion model, and drag and drop into the group folder, and select this group folder. Choose here group 2, and don't forget, let's open inside and select this extrusion model, and let's move to back group folder. Click OK. So let's go to group 2 and aux channels, channel 5, and open rotation. Let's change rotation like this. Okay, here we go. We can create animation. Let's create first keyframe in the first second. Change rotation like this. Let's change -8 or -10. Go to 10 keyframes. For shortcut, you can press hold shift, press page down keyboard, and change this +10. Go to again 10 keyframe, change -10. So for loop animation, select element 3D layer, press U for see keyframes, and select keyframes, make it easy or click F9, and hold Alt, click time icon for open expression. Go to play button, property, and use loop out duration. And for down expression, click this empty area. Let's see. Okay, this is very speedly animation. Select these 3 keyframes, hold Alt, move to right. Nice. Also, let's hold Alt, move to right for more slow animation. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments, and have a good days. Good luck.